Okay, for this activity, we are going to be collecting some data, and I need you to collect that data. So, what I've asked for you is you will be asked to record the time it takes for you to open your phone, read a text, and then reply to that text. If you need a stopwatch, I've linked a stopwatch right here. Click here for an online stopwatch, or you can use one on your phone. Although that might be a little difficult while you're also doing this other stuff on your phone. So uh, I would recommend using this. If you click this link, it's going to open up the Google stopwatch. So again, I'm right here. Okay, I've got my phone. It's not unlocked. Okay, I've got to unlock it still. And so I'm going to set it down. To start, okay, I hit the start button. I pick up my phone. I unlock it. I'm reading the text message. And bummer. I'm sure it'll be okay. So I actually took time to respond to that text. Then I send it, or you don't have to send it, it can be a trial. And I close and put my phone down and I stop the timer. Okay, so the entire process, picking it up, reading the text, responding to the text, and putting it back down. And you'll see that I got 36 seconds and 44 hundredths of a second. And so that is what I'm going to record. When I go back here, you'll see that you will record your data using this Google Sheet. This is a link to a Google Sheet that I've made for you. So all you have to do is go and fill it in. So when you open this, it'll ask you to make a copy. And this is what you're going to see. Okay, you have 10 trials, which I just did one right now. Okay, so my first trial, my reading time, I'll go back here, 36:44. So I will type 36.44 seconds. When I do that, you'll see that this graph is going to update for you, and it's time spent reading these texts, and then the trial number. And then you also see that it'll take your average time. Now, obviously, my first trial, I was 36 seconds. My average time says 3.6. Well, that doesn't make sense. That's because once you fill in the last 9 trials, or you fill in all 10 trials, this will be your average time. You're going to want this graph to answer questions, and you're going to need to know your average time to answer some questions below.